Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's March 23rd, 2023. Real quick, we're going to talk about Palantir today to see if this particular stock can catch fire again and continue to go higher. You guys can see that I've been looking for the market in Palantir to trend to the downside, and I did an update for Palantir on March the 10th. This is where the market in Palantir was trading at that particular moment. So let me go ahead and show you all the arrow. Looking for the price in Palantir to continue to go down, and it did. There were like 2 days to where we saw the market come into our price target area, but obviously the market recovered quite nicely, and now it's trading right back up here around $8.60. So this is why I'm creating the video. It's because it does look as if the market is trying to catch fire and continue to go up in Palantir. It simply seems as that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and get rid of this last price prediction, clean it up, and try to see whether or not that's going to actually occur in Palantir. So let me go ahead and get this out the way. Okay, so on the close of yesterday, we will be down 9.5% right there. Let's go ahead and cut that out the way, and let's clean this chart up real quick for Palantir. Okay, so now, what do you really think the market is doing in Palantir? Are we in a upward trend? Are we trading sideways? Are we trending down? What is it? Overwhelmingly, we're trading sideways. There's more days of trading in Palantir that we're just simply seeing the market move from left to right. $9 as resistance, all the way down here towards 7, maybe 650 as support. Okay, so that's pretty much the environment right now in Palantir, which is not a negative thing. It's not a positive thing. It's just a thing. It's just how the market is trading. So we would have to try to look at Palantir's price on a longer term basis to see if we're getting a little bit more emphasis on market strength or weakness. So looking at this on a weekly time frame, there have been times, certain weeks, that price did go down in Palantir, but then we immediately, the next following week, price comes right back up. That tells you that the buyers are still present. Right here on the week of March the 6th, price went down. Well, the following week, price went right back up. And we're still seeing the market price action in Palantir go up. The only problem is that instead of $9 being resistance, this area right here is resistance, $8.57 or so, give or take. This is where the current problem is for the buyers in Palantir. Is that a good thing? No, if you're a buyer, it's not a good thing. Let's look at this on the 2 weekly chart. So in the next day and 9 hours, right? We have 1 day and 9 hours. Let's say that this current 2 weekly price bar in Palantir closes up here at the high of the bar. I would definitely be looking for the market to go up. As of right now, I'm still leaning that Palantir has a bigger probability of going higher than it does going down. Okay, I would definitely feel that way in the conclusion on the 2 weekly price bar in the 3 weeks, especially if I see the market close that high. Okay, so check this out. When you look at these last 2 3 price bars that the arrows pointing down to, I want you all to see this, that this represents selling. This is how the price bar looks when there's more sellers in the market than there are buyers, right? But the market is closing higher than the previous 3 weeks. That tells you that buyers are absorbing the selling. And here we are on this current 3 weekly price bar. The buyers are still here absorbing Palantir. So this area that I'm showing you right now is turning out to be an absorption zone, meaning this is the area that buyers are accumulating, buying Palantir for their next move, which looks to be to the upside. Okay, consider that for the long term. Now here it is on the 5 weeks. This is weakness. The next 22 days, okay, and 9 hours. If the market in Palantir is all the way back up here around 10.50, we have a bigger move that's going to occur in Palantir. Just saying. Take a look. We got the same 5 weekly price bar right there in August of 2022, and the result was market just consolidating, trading sideways. So this could be a range. So either 2 things, either price in Palantir is going to continue to trend higher, or the second thing is going to be, we're just going to see the market in Palantir trade range bound for the next couple of months. Yeah, be prepared for that. Okay, so now let me do this though. And I'm going to play some strength into the market in Palantir, but I want you all to remember that that $8.50 price is resistance. Okay, that is resistance. So let me go ahead and bring up this magnifying glass real quick. And that is going to be my first target is $8.50. I want us to understand that if the market is only going to give us $8.50 as a high, we want to be prepared to profit from it. So that would be my first target, $8.50. That's 3.41% market move higher. My second target is going to be up there around $8.80, 7.19%, $8.80. And then my last target is up there around $9 still. Now I want to see the conclusion of Palantir on the 2 weeks and the 3 weekly price bar first, because that would definitely tell me if we have a higher chance of looking for Palantir to trade above $9. Okay, so that's it. Give me your thoughts. If you're new, subscribe to the channel, because you're not going to get any hype, any FUD, any FOMO here. We simply look at price, because price is most important. Give me your thoughts. Make sure you maintain the profitability, and as always, trade different.